All right, tribe, you know how we do. Did you like this group? Not like this group? People, your weekend, don't, you could do other things with your time. Honest feedback.
Well, I just want to say thank you. This is my second time with one of your groups, and research by far is my Achilles heel. It's that it's those questions that when I get to it, I almost just guess and keep going. The lecture today, it just made sense to me. And I just graduated with my master's, and we did have research, and just as stated, they didn't do those scenario-based questions. So it was more about applying to different processes and just different things. So I appreciate today, and I really feel more confident because I'm stronger in all the other areas. Research was the one I always tell people, research is the one that I kind of expect, but just as you stated, if that small margin of questions that you get wrong, if that's what could get you a passing score, I don't want to take a chance. So I just appreciate it, and I really enjoyed this class, and I test for the first time next week. So I am so thankful.
No, absolutely. Definitely glad you're here and getting value out of the group. And I feel you. I know research isn't I mean, if it is your strong suit, shout out to you, but I know it's not, it tends to not be people's strong suit. And for these type of questions where I say I'm a flashcard guy, flashcard it up. We just want to be able to identify those terms, and people usually pass or fail by 1 to 10 points. And when I look at these type of questions, I want them to be freebies. Oh, predictive validity. Oh, concurrent, all this. I want us to be able to get those right. Because if anything, it just gives us that additional cushion for the rest of those scenario-based questions and whatnot. So definitely glad you found value. You got this. And let us know so we can celebrate your win.
Absolutely, I will. Thank you.
All right, tribe. Thank you for attending today's study group. I appreciate you. And we got this. I'm going to always emphasize this. 2 practice questions a day, 1 practice exam a month. Go in there, get what's ours, aka this license, and let's continue with our social work journey. We got this. All right, tribe. I'll see you next study group.